Our today's chief presenting a bouquet to our chief guest. Chain of appreciation proudly presented to Shri Honourable Biren Singh.
In the days to come for the embassy, Sir, Mr. and to grace Manipur, if you happen to look very minutely, it's the only place of
Manipur-Sangai festival is being held after a gap of 2 years due to the pandemic. I hope you all will get to experience the rich cultural heritage of Manipur during the festival and take back lasting memories. The Northeast connect India to one of the most economically dynamic and politically significant geographies of the world. As the global power axis shifts to the Indo-Pacific, developing a secure and prosperous northeastern region is a convergence of India's Act policy and a neighborhood first policy will be a vital pillar towards realizing a common vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific. Towards realizing this vision, improved connectivity will be critical to unlock the potential and the business opportunities in the region.